Okay, so open any of the browser and just type git install. Here we have a website, just open it. Here we have a downloads button, just click on it, and according to your OS you can just download. I'm just downloading for the Windows. I'm just waiting for the downloading. Okay, so it's downloading done. I'm just opening the file. Just say next. Here is the location of the your git folder. Say yes. I'm just adding additional icons. Next, 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 next. Just next, next. Just say install. Okay, so installation done. So now you can do it. Just open your VS Code. I'm just adding new windows and just open your terminal, and here you can see we have one small icon. Just open it, and here you can see here we have git bash. Just open it, that git bash, and here you can just check it, git -- version. Okay, so it's installed successfully. I'm just zoom it. Okay, when you install git in your locally, you need to add some sort of things like your username and your user email. So for that we have two commands, like we have a git config -- global user.name. I'm just adding my name. Just press enter. Is done. In the same way you can add your email ID also. Git config -- global user.email. I'm just adding my email ID. And just press enter. Okay, it's done. Just clear it, and for confirmation you can add another command like git config -- list. See, you can just add your username and your email ID. Okay, means it's done successfully. Now you can just enter shift+Q. You just stop it, and here we have successfully done with the git locally.